This is the box for it. And now we're just gonna work hard. Oh no! What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be replacing this wing with a Big Country Labs Atmosphere Demolisher. It's absolutely gigantic. This is the box for it. And now we're just going to work hard. Oh no! Is it okay? Yeah! So I've wanted this wing for a while. I was initially going to get a traction mount wing, but turned out to be way too expensive. And don't get me wrong, this is also expensive, but
They're ugly.
they're ugly. I'll check them.
And if you consider like that you already bumped your like rear bumper, I would think you would have smacked your wing.
So what?
That if you already like gassed this, your wing, then you're gonna destroy the wing. Wow, fancy. You're gonna have a black batter freaking on it.
I should have opened that. This thing is huge. Wow.
Fuck the car, I just want to put the wing on. It's your white.
This is what I really wanted. How much was this thing? $800. Good God. Oh, turn it around. Biggest wing. That's pretty cool. I like that a lot.
Gonna go back, it's gonna be on the top because you're gonna flip it over. Yeah. So far, this has been really easy. Like most of the things we do, it takes a while. We always mess up. There's always missing parts, but the kit came with everything you needed, and we put it together in like 15 minutes. And really the only thing left is to drill the holes and round it up, and it'll look good.
All right.
Try to get center.
That's center, bro. Is it?
Oh man,
That's good.
Oh.
That's good.
No complaints. I think I'm through.
Yeah, you are.
Is there another side? Oh, there's
That one?
There's another
Yeah,
side.
there's definitely gonna be two. Moving up to a bigger hole.
Hey, bitch. Don't fuck up my
Hey,
drill.
kids, watch this channel.
Which kids?
My apologies.
My hoodrat, tell them, go.
No, I actually got a comment one time after I got my car running. I was like, yeah. I was saying a bunch of curse words.
Motherfucker.
Whoa!
That has to go in there.
It's okay. I'm gonna bleep it out.
It's not moving at all.
Like butter. Look at that. Yeah! Woo! All right, get the hardware
Oh,
ready.
you still need this, don't you?
Yeah, they go down here.
Grab that hardware.
Where's that?
You're gonna have to put
I only have 3, right? Right?
Check it out.
Does that match up? Let it back a little bit.
Here's a little thingy for that.
Fucking. Oh, that's gonna work. Oh, they won't go through.
Hey, pull the wing off and try to put the few these through before.
I'm gonna pick it up. Hey, the one I did works.
You want to go bigger?
Yeah, or just like round it out, like even with the same bolt or same bit, and just
Where's
like
the drill?
it's right there, right there.
Over there in the other end of the car.
Out here.
That one's good?
Yeah, that one.
So close, though. Look at that.
Caught right here.
Wow, that's so close.
I don't know, man. It's fucking. It's got your roof, but like 6 inches. Huh? Yeah, that's all pretty.
The king of hot boys. And here we have almost the final product.
Mind if I snip these?
If you, I don't know if you can just like step in with those, but
We're gonna try.
yep. Damn. That's how we're looking right now. So, unfortunately, the screws or the bolts in here, they're way too long. So tomorrow I'm gonna have to, you know, trim them down. Also, this is disgusting. It's very dirty. But yeah, right now it's looking pretty good. So I was able to trim off the little screws, and it looks pretty awesome. It's nice and flush. I love it. Now I just gotta get my front fenders fixed and then paint the car. So big things coming. Big things coming. Of course I gotta save money. It's gonna take a little bit of time. But in the meantime, she's looking pretty cool. Alrighty guys, so it's been a couple of days since that last clip, and I actually did it. I have a set of D-Max front fenders that I had fixed and installed, and I'll put some pictures up on the screen because the quality that I got wasn't that great. So this side looks monumentally better than it did, and just the overall quality is just so much better. I bought them off eBay, which is not smart. That's the risk you take when you buy parts from eBay. So fortunately, I have my big old Wang, I have my rear over fenders, I have my front fenders, and everything is coming together. You know, I just gotta keep on building slowly and slowly, you know, and then, like I said, I'm gonna eventually paint the car, and you know, I'm excited. You know, this thing is coming together. But as always, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.